In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana and Jira with a two-way sync and automated updates. This is perfect for those who want to streamline their project management by keeping both Asana and Jira completely in tune with each other. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless integration, helping you save time and improve efficiency. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to the Asana project where you want to add this integration. It's crucial to choose the correct project because this is where your synced tasks from Jira will appear. Once you're in the Asana project, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Click on that. This might open up an assorted list of different customization options, but for our purpose, head straight to Apps. Inside the Apps section, search for Jira Cloud and select it. You'll then see an option labeled Connect to Jira Cloud. Click on that and you will need to go through an authorization step. This is simply to ensure security and that you are allowing Asana the required access to communicate with your Jira account. Confirm your Jira credentials and you should be successfully connected at this point. Now we move on to the data sync settings. Click on data sync setting. It's here that you can determine exactly how and what details will be synced between the two platforms. The first decision you'll make is to choose the Jira project that you're aiming to sync with. It's important that this aligns closely with the work you're doing in Asana, as the integration should serve to complement your workflow, not complicate it. Next, you'll select the issue type from Jira that you want synced over into Asana. This could be anything from bugs to tasks to features. Choose the one that fits best with your Asana projects. Subsequently, you'll need to set the sync direction. For example, you can set it so that when a new Jira issue is created, it automatically creates a corresponding Asana task. This feature is particularly useful for teams that utilize both tools for different types of project management, but need them to be cohesive. You will then have the option to sync comments if desired, which means any comments on a Jira issue can be mirrored onto the corresponding task in Asana. This ensures that all conversations are consolidated. If that's something you want, tick the box to enable this feature. Finally, don't forget to click on Save and Close. This will activate all the settings you've just customized, and there you have it. Your Asana and Jira projects are now interconnected with a smooth two-way synchronization and are ready to help your team manage tasks more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy project managing.